In the fast-paced world of business, two giants stand tall: Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Both are cloud-based solutions designed to boost productivity and collaboration. Today, we embark on a journey to explore these dynamic platforms, helping you make the right choice for your business needs. Choosing between Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace is not easy. Both offer an incredible array of features. But fear not. We're here to guide you through this comparison to find the perfect match for you. We will start off with going through the features that are common to both platforms. Email. Microsoft users use Microsoft Outlook, while Google users use Google Gmail. Calendar. Microsoft users use Microsoft Outlook, while Google users use Google Calendar. Word processing. Microsoft users use Microsoft Word, while Google users use Google Docs. Spreadsheets. Microsoft users use Microsoft Excel, while Google users use Google Sheets. File storage and sharing. Microsoft users use Microsoft OneDrive, while Google users use Google Drive. Presentation. Microsoft users use Microsoft PowerPoint, while Google users use Google Slides. Video conferencing. Microsoft users use Microsoft Teams, while Google users use Google Meets. Intranet. Microsoft users use Microsoft SharePoint, while Google users use Google Drive. Messaging and chat. Microsoft users use Microsoft Teams, while Google users use Google Chat. Now let's look at features that are not common on both platforms. Desktop applications. Microsoft has a comprehensive suite of desktop applications such as Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint and more. Google Workspace does not have desktop applications. Publishing. Microsoft users get Microsoft Publisher that can be used to create a wide variety of publications, from business cards and calendars, to newsletters and greeting cards. Google Workspace does not seem to have a similar tool. Project management. Microsoft offers Microsoft Project for project management. Google Workspace does not seem to have a similar tool. Task management. Microsoft offers Microsoft Planner. Google Workspace does not seem to have a similar tool. Basic database tools. Microsoft users can use Microsoft Access to create basic databases and applications. Google Workspace does not seem to have a similar tool. Identity protection. Google Workspace only offers two-factor authentication. Microsoft provides multi-factor authentication, meaning you can require users to prove their identity multiple times using factors such as one-time passwords, facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and more. This ultimately results in improved security for Microsoft users. Antivirus and malware protection. Microsoft offers Microsoft Defender for endpoints that protects your devices from malware, as well as Microsoft Defender for Office 365 that protects all documents and data in the cloud such as emails, OneDrive documents, Teams attachments and links, and more. Google Workspace does not have this capability. And finally, let's look at pricing. Google's Business Plus subscription costs $25.20 a month, while Microsoft's Business Premium subscription comes in at $30.20 a month. Having used both Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, Microsoft 365 is our preferred choice. Its seamless integration with the Office applications that we are all accustomed to, as well as the ability to use Microsoft Teams as a central hub for almost all day-to-day tasks, makes Microsoft 365 the clear winner. We hope this quick comparison has helped you understand the key differences between Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Here at Abiko Group, we have helped many businesses migrate to Microsoft 365. Visit us at abikogroup.com.au to start your free trial today.